Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair, guys. Super quick, helpful video to any of you guys trying to find fuses relays for the front SAM module. That's the SAM module, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. They're in a fuse box that's extremely hidden and 9 out of 10 people do not know that it even exists. We'll talk about that. Also, if you have a problem with your Mercedes C-Class and you need help, drop a comment, guys, under the video, and if we have the time and resources, we'll try to make that video to save even more money. We already have hundreds of videos on that Mercedes that can save you quite a bit of money on our YouTube channels. Check it out if you need help with anything. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, let's explain what you can expect to find fuses relays for the front SAM module, SAM module. We need to open the hood on that Mercedes. Mercedes made it really convenient for us, guys, to open it all the way so we don't have to hit our head in it. That's a good thing. But you guys have many hidden fuse boxes. Today we're working one of them, but most people do not know where they're located. That's why we recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location diagram on Mercedes W204. People told us that we saved them thousands of dollars in repairs and headache because of that video. So let us show you guys here on the driver's side. Okay, let's come. Okay, wake up and come. Here next to the brake fluid reservoir, you have a fuse box that most people know about right here. You need to open these clips, pull it out, and here you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. This is actually, guys, your front SAM module right here as well. That's the front SAM module on your Mercedes W204. But before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So guys, the fuses that we need are not located there. Actually, they're in a hidden place. Come here now on the passenger side, you see that's your positive jump start terminal right here. So that terminal, guys, right here, that's known as a pre-fuse box right here. And if you open it, you have many hidden fuse boxes, up to 15 different fuses. We'll make a video how to open one of them very soon on our YouTube channel. But guys, okay, if you have up to 2010, that's the pre-facelifted Mercedes. Let us show you for which fuses you need to check. We'll explain about 3 different variations. That's the fuse box diagram right here. If you have, guys, okay, as of 2000 up to 2010, you need to check fuse number 89. We're talking about the fuse right here. You see that fuse 89 will need to be checked. You need to check fuse number 101. Okay, the one next to it. So 89 and 101, these 2 fuses. You need to check fuse number 105 right next to it. So 3 fuses. Okay, all these are for the front SAM module, guys. Now, if you guys have as of 2010, I want to show you here, guys. And we're talking the one, okay, without the eco start stop function. Okay. Without the eco start stop function, you will need to check fuse number 150 right here. Very important fuse. And you need to check, guys, 161 right there. Check that one too. Also, you might want to check, guys, fuse number 153, 54 and 56. Those will need to be checked. If you have the one with the eco start stop function, you will need to check, guys, okay, fuse 152, 153, 54 right here, and also you may need to check fuse number 156 right there, and practically, guys, okay, those are, and some of you may check fuse 161, but I think that's only for the one without the eco start stop. But those are the main fuses that control the front SAM module. You don't have relays, you have only these fuses, and if you open the box, you can easily see them. You don't need to buy a new pre-fuse box. We'll make a video how to open and replace a fuse if you need to. It will be on our YouTube channel. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.